We're going to walk through how the Auto UV Guided UV Map Generator works. First, make sure you've set your shell object in the panel configuration menu. That's the mesh the tool will unwrap and orient. Once that's done, select your mesh and enter Edit mode. Switch to Edge Selection, then run the Select Boundary command from the Panel Helper toolbox. Next, while holding Shift, find and select the center edge row at the heel of the shell. With that selection active, right-click and choose Mark Seam. This defines where the UV will open when you unwrap. Now, unwrap the mesh. With the unwrap complete, we'll define the UV orientation. You'll use the 3D cursor to do this. First to set the toe direction, then the up Z-axis. Place the 3D cursor at the toe of the model and click Define Toe. Then move the cursor to the top of the shell, aligning with the vertical axis, and click Define Up Axis. Once both are defined, press Orient UV. The tool will automatically align your shell's UV map, toe forward, upright, and ready for projection or pattern generation.